How to use Google Maps. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to use the Google app, simply first of all launch the Play Store and make sure you have an updated version of Google Maps application over here. So just tap on the search bar and search for Google Maps over here. And as you do that, you'll be able to see there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Google Maps. So we're going to go back and launch the Google Maps application on our device. So make sure you're logged into your account. Now, in order to use the Google Maps, simply what you need to do is tap on the search bar at the top and search for any location that you want to reach or that you would want to find. Then it will give you different results over here. So you can even see the locations via different transitions over here, or you can select this option over here and then you can see the map details, the traffic details, even in a street view. You can see the 3D satellite view and so on. So I'm going to select on street view over here, and here you can see the street view. You can even tap on the directions over here and it will give you directions directly from here. You have to just choose a starting location. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.